This is iPhone 7 Plus motherboard. This phone is not charging. The user or the owner said the phone is not charging. After much troubleshooting, discovering that the charging flex is working, everything from the charging flex is working. The voltage is entering the panel, but there's no output on the VBAT line. You see, there's no voltage on the VBAT line. So I discovered that the Hydra IC, or more or less we say the USB IC, is damaged. Yes, the USB is damaged, and that is one of the popular problem when it comes to charging the iPhone 7 Plus not charging. Once you change the IC, it will start working. When you change the IC perfectly well, it will start working. So let's start the work properly. Let's start the work properly. It's very easy, very easy, just for you to get the terms and the condition. So we will need to open the shield, the foil, the shield. We need to open it. It's a flex shield. Let's try to open it now. So I've tried to cut it, but I said let me just fold it. Because I'm still going to use it to cover it again. So let's start it properly now. Now you need to pay attention to this very well. Discovering that the IC is shielded. That means there's a shield that covers the IC. Now there are three ways to remove this shield. Either you remove the IC by not even removing the shield, but it's kind of very risky. But if you are skillful, you'll be able to do it. Two, it's either you just use cutter to cut the exact parts, exactly what I'm doing now. Cut the exact parts. But if you are doing this method, you need to be very extra careful, because by cutting that shield, you might end up damaging some other parts, some other useful parts. So you need to be very sensitive and very careful with using this method. Now the other method, which is the best method to use, also very risky, but you need to be skillful, is you just hitting the board to remove the shield quietly. I think that way is much more safer. So think about the one that will suit you, or that will be more convenient for you, and the problem is solved. You can use this method, the one I'm showing you now, and you can also use heat method. You can just apply your heat and raise it quietly, and it will come out smoothly. But this method is very risky, except if you know how to use your plier, or you know how to use it to cut it. You'll be very careful so that you're not going to damage other parts. Thank you very much. So watch carefully as I do this one. Thank you. So I need to be very extra careful, and sometimes because of doing it, you might end up breaking the panel if you are not skillful enough. So you need to be very careful so you're not going to damage your customer's phone as a result of repairing. Please make sure you listen to my voice note very well, or you want to be explained. You see, I've successfully cut the shield, so it now gives me direct access to the IC now. You see, and I look at it very well. Everything is so now everything is fine. Now I've successfully removed the shield, cut the shield, I mean to say. So the IC is now exposed. Please, as much as you are watching this video, I want you to also pay attention to the voice note. Very important, because that is where the explanation comes. Yes, I'm trying to clamp the panel on a PCB holder. Very important, to avoid shaking or to avoid some kind of improper work, so I need to hold it tight. Please, as you're watching, listening to the voice note also, please try to, as you're watching, please, if you have not subscribed, try to subscribe. And yes, let's start now. So I'm trying to apply flux. Now this flux, I may put, if I like, sometimes I don't put flux. I learned it from YCS. That's how you do it without even putting flux. This is one of these videos, when I do it I will explain it more better, but this one I put flux. Yes, I put flux. So let's apply my heat. Now in this particular section, now I want you to observe something very well. You see, I did not cover that sound IC there. Those two IC there, they are some of the sound IC that helps in regulating that sound also, mostly from the down loudspeaker. From that, it was with vibrator and the loudspeaker. I did not cover it because the way I set my workstation, or the way I'm skilled in repairing it, so it's very sensitive. So see the way I did it, I applied the heat and I put a pick. I just raise it up instantly so that it will not affect other things, so other component will not melt alongside with it. So I've successfully removed the IC now. So watch closely on how I'm going to clean it and do the needful. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm now ready to be uploading videos now. I've been busy all this while, but I feel there's a need for me to be doing videos for other people that want to learn, also learn. But no knowledge is a waste. Even though you have learned, you know the work, you need to watch again so that you learn from each other. That is how we grow. And if you have anybody, your friend, you can share this video to, please do well to share it to them and help my YouTube channel to grow well. Thank you. So now let's continue. Sorry, I'm trying to give my boy to hold it very well for me because I'm about to do some work. So now watch closely. Now, a lead that comes from the factory is kind of different, understand? So I need to apply lead to it to soften it. So I'm trying to soften the lead that is on the panel already, so that it will be very much easier for me to desolder the lead on it. I get it now. So I have to apply external lead so as to soften it. Then I will have to clean it. So watch closely what I'm about to do now. Now, if you want to do this kind of work, you need to have a desoldering wire. I call it desoldering wire for cleaning lead. I get it now. So let's clean the whole parts. So watch closely. Then I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do it now. Yes, I'm trying to desolder the lead to clean the pad. Trying to clean the pad. So in this case, you need to have some tools. The soldering I'm using is a T115. If I'm correct, T115. Very tiny lead and soldering tip, and very effective. I really love it so much. Yes, watch closely. I'm trying to clean the parts. Please, if you have any question, do well to ask from the comment section. Do well to ask. If there's any way you want me to highlight or to explain more, please do well to ask question. And if you don't anything you don't like about my teaching, please let me know so that we work towards it. Now watch closely, watch closely. Mind you, this thing did not start within a day. I did not just start doing this. I've been watching videos when I first started watching videos, doing much research, a lot of things. And mind you, all IC has polarities. All the IC, all components has their own polarity. some content doesn't have polarity, but when it comes to IC has polarity. I get it now. Yes, you can't just replace IC just like that. It has a polarity in it. Now you see some kind of dots. When you see any IC, you see some kind of dots from the corner, from the edge. So you should make sure it's aligned with the initial state. So I'm done cleaning. Watch closely. See, I'm done cleaning. No any part was now. Look at it very carefully. Discover that there's one part that got removed, that got missing part. That part I'm trying to show now. But I discovered that part is not even important, because it's just a ground. It's a GND. I get it now. It's GND. It's grounded. It's ground. I mean to say it's ground. So I don't need to fix that part. That particular part is NC. It's not connected. I get it now. It's not connected to anything. It's not connected to any component. Just like that. So I don't need to fix that missing part because it's not connected. It's NC. Yes, thank you very much. So I'm trying to bring out the IC now. Let me forward this thing. Now this is another IC, but this IC I want to reball that IC. I want to reball that IC. And we need to reball this IC. Though this IC I removed it from a donor board, donor iPhone 7 Plus board. So I will need to reball it. Watch closely. I'm trying to find the part, the mesh, the stencil that will match it, but I have no choice. I just have to use the universal because of time. I don't want to start looking for 7 Plus Sergeant Flare and stencil. But in this case, I use universal. I'm trying to find it. I see it now. I did not see that. I have to find it. So this is the universal one. So I'm trying to reball the IC now. Please, if you are doing this kind of IC work, you need to invest your money on stencil. Very important. Very, very important. And please don't allow your stencil to bend. Once it starts bending, your reball will not be successful. You will be having a problem with reballing, especially when you are using universal stencil. Those ones have got bent. Those part, just my stencil part is bent already. I bought another one, so this one is just another different one. So watch carefully how I reball that IC. Very easy, very sharp. This, if you want to know the temperature I'm using or the kind of the workstation I'm using, please comment down below. Comment and ask me which of the workstation I'm using, or if you want to know the temperature, you can ask me on the comment below, comment section. So see what I did. So let's get the work done properly. Wash carefully. So I'm trying to clean up the paste, the soldering paste, so that I will see the polarity of the IC. I will not go and put it in the wrong way. So I'm cleaning off the part, the dirt, so that I'll be able to see the polarity of the IC, so that I will not put it in the wrong way. I'm getting it now. Watch closely. If you want to know the reward station I'm using, please ask on the comment section. Also, if you want to know the temperature I'm using, ask on the comment section. Thank you. I really love you. Thanks for watching to this extent. If you are lucky, if you watch to this extent, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Yes, that means you really want to learn. No knowledge is a waste. No any knowledge I like, or no any video I will see on social media that I will not want to watch finish. Especially when it has to do with phone repair technology. I will need to watch it finish to understand. That is how we get knowledge. We get knowledge from each other. So I'm done installing it. I'm trying to cool it down. So work done. I tested it and it's working perfectly well. Thank you. I've cashed out my money in the bank. Thank you. Love you. Bye.